Anybody remember these? Exceedingly rare nowadays. This is called a SmartMedia card. They were available up to 128 megabytes, which is what this card is. They are wafer thin. Wafer thin. Little notch on one corner. It kind of looks like an oversized SD card, but has nothing to do with that. And you could write protect these also. When you got a SmartMedia card, it came with little round stickers you'd place in that little circle there, and then somehow the device would test that. Anyways, here's the remote. I put batteries in it, so now the light goes. Let's give this thing a shot. The makeshift setup by the bar. The device, I only had a 2 conductor, so we'll put it in the video, and the red will be the white audio, or the left. Doesn't matter anyway. Video to video, audio to audio. A blue screen from the VCR. Yes, I can watch TV on the Magnavox computer monitor, because I have that kind hooked up. It is squared off, you know, you can't, it doesn't go to the edges, but you take what you can get. I guess if this were a newer monitor that had the electronic controls, this has the old wheels you would turn there, but if it had the electronic ones, I suppose this might be a different resolution, and it would store your settings for each different resolution, and that might solve the problem. So one day when this dies, but I digress. So here's the unit, it's plugged in. We'll just hit the power button and see what happens. Okay, we got something. Iomega FotoShow. Oh yeah, this doesn't want to focus on the fucking screen. Insert a zip disk to use FotoShow. Maybe it can't read a SmartMedia card right offhand. I have inserted said card. We'll try powering it again. Hopefully the camera will stay focused on this. Yeah, it just refuses to do anything. There's a green light on it. I'm just going to start hitting buttons on it to see if it'll do anything. Wow, it's 2106. Look at that. You can't use the FotoShow Image Center without a zip disk. Zip disks are where your photos and other data are stored for use. Well, let's put one in then. Considering the fact that this shows already that you need a zip disk for this thing to even work, means it's pretty much useless. They're forcing you to use their own technology. But let's play the game. A zip disk. Did you hear that? Damn, I haven't heard that sound in ages. For ease of whatever this thing is going to do, I'm just going to hit the power button. Power it off. It keeps the disc spinning. There, now it's shut. There was an orange light that flashed. Turn it back on. Okay, looks good to me. There is a copy button. Does the remote have it? No, but I think the front of the unit does. Copy all photos will start in 6 seconds. 2, 1. It says copying photos. I guess this is the drive axis light. That just means it's doing something. I forgot how noisy zip drives were. Damn. I really forgot about that. Gives you no indication whatsoever. I can see how this is a failed product already. Just the fact that you're forced to use the damn zip disks, and you can't even see what's on the card. Like, you know, I guess maybe if you hit copy, you know, it said all photos and then you could select them, so then maybe it would read off the card. Who even knows? This is the card out of the wife's camera. Yes, she still uses it very infrequently, once or twice a year. And I hate that because I always forget. She says, oh, can you get me some batteries for the camera? So I have some rechargeable batteries. I'll charge them up, put them in there. Everything's good. She goes out, gallivanting. She takes her pictures, and the camera disappears. Like, the pictures are just going to stay there. No, no, no. I need those pictures. I need to archive them. I need to do all kinds of stuff. Now I have the digital picture frame upstairs automatically backing up at boot up. I decided that's better than a scheduled task because, first and foremost, the scheduled task didn't want to fucking cooperate. And secondly, I can just reboot it whenever and then it'll back everything up. And it still goes and does its job displaying pictures anyways, like it should, so it just does that in the background. Something new. It says updating photo 1 of 35. I don't know what updating means. I haven't the slightest idea. Now it's doing 2 of 35. Looks like this is going to take quite a while. You know, I really don't remember the throughput, but I would expect an in-device thing. You know, even if this is copying at USB 1 speeds internally, and I believe this might be a USB 2 device anyways, that's kind of fucking ridiculous. It really is. There's no way it should take this long. And then all this updating. It's only up to 4. There's 35 fucking pictures on this card. 35 pictures. This is like ridiculously awesome in the slow department. Want to play the slideshow? Yeah, give me your card. Right. Casson, you got that slideshow playing yet? Where's the fucking slideshow? Bring it over here. It's still copying. You want your pictures? You want your pictures? Right. 17 of 35. 18 of 35. It's getting there. Boy, I'd hate to see this thing with 117 photos. My goodness. So it's 35 of 35. I wonder how long this is going to take. So. And there we are. Now, I have no idea what this is a picture of, or what anything is here. Arrange photos, choose theme. Oh, geez, really? You can select backgrounds. Well, we'll leave it at deep sea. That looked fine. Delete photos, delete album, album info. Okay, that doesn't tell me too much. Hit back. View as slideshow. This is the wife's attempt at taking pictures. There's one. I think those are supposed to be jack-o'-lanterns or something. It goes so fast. And it looks great at low res on TV. But the slideshow is like, 3 seconds each picture. I hit back. Maybe it'll let me view this. Okay, here, yeah. It lets me view this picture. Now it said press go to zoom in. So now you can move the little finger over and hit go. And look how long, look, it has a progress thinger at the bottom. It's not even a bar, it's just a thinger. Ooh. Go. We could zoom more, maybe? Wait, let's look at the details on that at 200 resolution. There you go. That tells you what it is, right? I hit back and back again. Arrange photos. Let's see what that means. I think you can just, yeah, move them around, and you have to navigate using this thing. And yeah, yeah. Let's see what happens if we power it off and back on now. Powered off. And it powers down. You have to wait while it spins down. Power back up. Well, it reads that pretty quick. Geez, There's got to be a way to change the slideshow stuff. Wait, I just hit photo grid. Okay, that just does that. Great. Album. Well, let's hit go to view the highlighted photo. Now we'll hit album. Albumin? No. Well, there's a fucking go button, but not a stop button. Wow, this is quite user friendly. Yeah, it refuses to actually stop. Maybe the back button? I guess that's the only way out. Wow. Damn, Lex Marks, I hope you didn't actually buy this thing back in the day. Unless you got it for like a super clearance price, like, $5 or something. But it is still a workable 250 gig zip drive. 250 meg zip drive, pardon me. And it can copy pictures from SmartMedia and CompactFlash cards to zip disk. Geez, I think most of all of these are pretty well gone. Yeah, quite the interesting thing. I don't have any better photos really here for you, but it just is. This, I guess for some reason the camera is keeping this in focus now. Yeah, it just doesn't let you do much. Oh, how do you go back here a second? Let's hit view as full screen. And then I want to hit the edit button. Edit. Rotate right, left. Okay, what the hell? Rotate left. Oh, it does that pretty quick. And you can rotate it right. Let's see what else you can do. Oh, auto fix. This ought to be fun. Turning autofix on. Oh, just that quick, huh? Guess it just lightens up the background. Remove red eye. Right there, sure. See, now we're getting into the finer features of this thing. Okay, we'll call that good and say C, fix red eye. Yeah, that didn't quite help. Undo. Okay. Very primitive. Crop the image. Add effect. Ooh, this ought to be fun. Black and white. Let's try that. Oh, look how long to process. Add effect. How about if we say no effect? Does it go back? Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's see. Sepia. We know what these are, but we'll play with them anyway. No effect. Posterize. Oh, look, it posterized it. No effect. Turquoise. Oh, it turquoised it. That's kind of cool. I'll give it that. And we'll do just a green tint. And see what other goodies it has. Blue, orange, magenta, yellow, grape. Okay. Undo changes. Sure. Back to original. It has to read the disk for that? Really? It hasn't enough RAM, you know, like 2 megabytes maybe to handle this stuff. My. And just the time to put into photo info. Name, caption, date, size. This photo is 1600 by 1200 pixels and uses 1253K of disk space. Ooh, that's a lot. In fact, if I size that down to something more appropriate like this screen, I could fit a lot more pictures on here. And just imagine, I could wait a day for it to add it all into the album. But anyway, it's all there. The Iomega FotoShow 250, Zip 250. Lexmark 567 informs me that this will indeed hook up with Windows 10, no drivers required, at least to read the zip disks. I haven't tested it myself, so I don't know if it'll read the media card slots, but you can always have it do its shit first and then read it off the zip disk, I guess, by just pressing the copy button on it. Certainly a nice piece of Oddware. We'll power it down. Well, let's eject the disk. Will it let us? It does. Cool. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. If you have any Oddware you'd like me to review and you want to send it to me, send me a private message and you can get featured just like Lexmark 567. Make sure you check his channel out. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks so much again for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.